Here you go, head is up and running it, baby. Come on. Knees up. Drive hard. Good. Now, drag backwards, chest up. Chest up, stand tall, shoulders back, get the shoulders back, stick the chest up. Good. Hard on the back pedal. Doing good. Keep digging, almost there. Look over your shoulder, take it to the end. Good. Okay, curls. You're gonna go under, okay? Gonna go under. My man Tony used to be a 6th grader, now going to 11th grade. Yep, grab right there, lace on the forearms, flat back, lift flat back, shoulders back, chest up. Down slow. Here you go. Doing good, keep working. Down slow. Shoulders get pulled back just a little bit. Still going. 3 more now. Now we got 3 more. 3, down slow. 2, down slow. Last one. Go down slow.